So, it's finally here. I've been waiting for this phone for a couple weeks now. This is the first video on the channel. I want to get straight to the point. I kind of just decided to do some tech videos too because I myself consider myself a tech enthusiast and I really like this stuff. So, if you want me to do more tech stuff like this, more like phone unboxings, more stuff like this, and be sure to tell me because then I can make that happen. Also, please don't make fun of me. This is my first video. Hopefully over time my editing and my video skills will get better, and obviously if I get more audience, because there is no point in making videos if no one likes what you do. So just please don't make fun of me. This is what I like. This is what I enjoy. So yeah, let's get this started because I'm really excited right now. So we have to pull here. I've been waiting for this phone for over like a couple weeks now. Just so everyone's on the same page, this is the OnePlus 8 Pro, the 8GB RAM and 128 storage variant. It has a Snapdragon 865, a 120Hz display, 6.78 inches of screen. And yeah. Wow, there it is. This is beautiful, honestly. I'm gonna get all this out of the way. Just want to get a quick glance at this because this is honestly just like a beautiful box. I really like. I'm probably gonna keep it. It's just like an 8, and it's just, yeah. So as I said, this is the stuff that I like, doing tech stuff that I like. So I think I can peel it here, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my knife because I've kind of been waiting for this. So, oh, there we go. Here. No, that didn't do anything. Open. There we go. There we go. And it's kind of out of frame. The other side. Let's get that out. Oh, and by the way, before I start this, I have to get something. I'll be right back. So, I'm finally back with this stuff. These are the gloves that I got with my ARS gaming chair. Yes, I bought an ARS gaming chair. I like the color, I like the thing. It might not be the best. I like the logo, that's what I meant to say. And the reason I'm wearing this is because I bought the Onyx black version, so it's black and shiny. So the problem with that, I probably look really stupid with these on. The problem with that is it's a fingerprint magnet, and it does bring a case with it. But I just want to have it, I want to have the this on so I get no fingerprints. My point with this phone is to stain it as much as possible. Right now I'm filming with an iPhone 7 Plus, so yeah. Let's open that. Come on, come out. I am really excited right now. You guys don't understand. Here, I'll try and help myself out. Why is this so hard to open? There we go. There we go. Oh, there we go. Come on. There we go. And there it is. Wow. You got the Never Settle. You got the phone over here. So I'm going to put this to the side quickly, actually. Wow. That is amazing. That is beautiful. So I'm going to put this carefully to the side over here. And let's see what's inside the actual box, right? So open it here. You get some cool stickers somewhere, yeah, and some like the usual stuff like stickers, manual stuff like that. It's cool, but we want the actual good stuff. There's a fly in my room somewhere. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the clear case with the Never Settle over here. I don't know if you can see it. There you can see it. I'm gonna try and peel this off because I don't want it. I will be using the case until I find like another case, because to be honest, I'm really simplistic with cases. I prefer see-through cases because then it shows like the true color of the phone. I think this looks a bit used. I'm not sure. And we have a cable here. So you can see a red cable and a power brick. These gloves are really slippery. Might not have been a good idea to do. on. There we go. With the OnePlus logo, warp charge. It's 30 watts, I think. This one's also wireless charging, so it's pretty good. So now that we have these things aside, oh my god, this is the best part. I get to peel. Okay, I'm gonna get it close to the phone, cause right. Oh my. Wow, as you can see, this is a fingerprint magnet. A complete fingerprint magnet. Let's just take this off quickly. I'm gonna pop the case on. Wow, this is, damn. This is awesome. So I'm gonna take the gloves off now because I don't need them anymore and they're just complicating everything. So yeah, this was pretty much, I'm not done yet. I just wanted to get a feel. It has a protective, I don't think you can see it, like a protective screen. I'm actually gonna keep it on there because it's not annoying me at the moment. There's a lot of dust in my room and there's a massive fly flying around, which is really annoying. So yeah, let's give it. Oh, there you go. I don't think you can see it. Yeah, there. OnePlus. The lighting is a bit messed up. Wow, that is just insane. There we go. A startup. Wait, you know what? Give me a second. I'm gonna adjust the lighting. That should be a bit better. There we go. Hi there. English. No, I live. No, actually, I'm gonna do this later. When I get some things done with this phone, I will make a video. So this was just a quick unboxing. It's been only like what, 6-7 minutes. It's been really short, I know. But that wasn't the point. The point of this video was just like an introductory to show like my reaction, my phone, like opening it, unboxing it, like that whole experience. I didn't really care much about the actual like wow, that's a really nice waterfall edge. I really like these. I didn't really care much about the you know, the phone and not the phone, like the review and that. I'm just doing the unboxing now, and if necessary, I'll do a review later if people want to know. So this is the OnePlus 8 Pro, as you can see. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Leave a comment down below what do you want me to do next, if a review, another phone, or just gaming. Thanks for watching.